My name is Unveiling. I'm a restoration project manager at Beverly Hills Porsche. For this year Porsche Restoration Challenge, we choose 1991 964 C4. The car has 42,000 miles. It's still in pretty good decent shape. The car is not perfect, it got some problems already. The car will be completely in pieces. Interior will be out because we're going to be working on the interior. The engine has to be taken apart because of the oil leaks.
I'm a fan of the 964. This would be a great car to go up to Monterey with and to go up to the Pacific Northwest. I'm excited to see how it all turns out.
One of the things I love about this car is the cluster of the gauges, that analog look.
That's what I love about resto mods really is you're making the car better than it was without overdoing it. And so for me, that's the dream car.
It's going to be challenging, but I'm excited to see what we create.